So this bed has my spring brassicas in them. It has broccoli, cauliflower, and collard greens, Georgia collard in here. And these little green things that you see here shooting up, those are shallots from the bulb, the starts. I put them in there. I have like 5 of them. But I also bought some onion sets that I'm going to put next to each one of these, and that is for prevention of white flies and whatnot. But what I'm going to do, I got these rebar, and I'm hoping that I got the same size, because I had to go back and get more, because my husband said I didn't get enough, but I did not get the same size. Does anyone know what this pattern means? I checked the back. I didn't see any eggs or anything on it, but what does this pattern mean? Does that mean that the white fly has started? Please let me know. I'm pulling all of the leaves off that looks like this, and I'm adding mulch to it. This is going to help to keep, I wet the bed this morning. I watered all the plants this morning while the sun was down, early in the morning. But this is going to help retain moisture, and if your beds are wet and there's moisture in your bed, that helps to keep the soil temperature cool and nice. This is another submission for the Spring Outdoor Project Challenge, brought to you by the OCDist Chick. You can check out her channel on YouTube. This challenge was to encourage us to get out there and get the work done, and it was a really good challenge because I got a lot done. So I thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day.